Welcome to Think Ocean. I'm Captain John, your host. Here at Think Ocean, we've been diving and exploring the coral reefs here in Hawaii for quite a while now. And we've produced many high-quality marine science video documentaries. We hope you watched them, and we're glad you watched them if you did. Now, it's time to go on a new adventure. I'm going to sea for 6 months as a deck officer aboard the Moray, United States naval ship Gem State. And I plan to bring you along with me to see what life is like aboard a merchant ship. So for the next 6 months or so, we plan on producing merchant marine maritime video documentaries. So my fellow aquanauts, it's time to get nautical. It's time to get salty. And most important, let's get out on deck and turn to. Anyone who knows what that means is worth their grain and salt. Drop a comment and let us all know. So while I pack my sea bags and get ready for this next progression, I've made this video of scenes from my Instagram page where I've been posting 1 or 2 minute short films. I put it all together and I hope you enjoy watching it. It's got dolphins, sharks, sea caves, big waves, eels, and schools of beautiful fish. It's some of my best footage that I post on Instagram, scenes about 1 or 2 minutes long. Follow me along on my Instagram page, which is Captain John Think Ocean. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share these marine science videos with others that are interested in the marine environment. And if you can, please subscribe to this channel. It would really help us out a lot and we'd appreciate your support. So now sit back and enjoy this beautiful film about some great marine life, some of my best footage that I've been posting on Instagram. And the next time I see you, I will see you aboard the ship. Aloha. The most common dolphin in the state of Hawaii is the Hawaiian spinner dolphin. Enjoy this beautiful footage of them underwater. Did those fish just eat that dolphin's? Those dolphins were saying, go to my YouTube channel, Think Ocean, and check it out. Give the videos a thumbs up and please subscribe. Also, they'd love the read of my new book. Full Ahead. Check it out. You can get it on Barnes & Noble and Amazon Kindle. Get yourself a paperback version. You're going to love it. Now turn up the volume and let's get back to the dolphins and their very interesting communication. Here we're going to observe some Moorish idols. A lot of people get them confused with angelfish. They are not. They're their own genus and species. These are juvenile gray reef sharks, and they're about 3 to 6 months old. The female gray reef sharks give live birth to 1 to 6 pups after a 12 to 14 month gestation period, with the females maturing slowly at about 7 to 8 years old and giving birth every other year, making population recovery difficult. Their lifespan is about 15 to 25 years. The females will max out in size at about 4 to 5 feet, and the males will max out in size slightly larger at about 5 to 6 feet. The largest ever recorded was 8.5 feet. My fellow aquanauts, if you want to see more and learn more about the gray reef sharks here in Kona, Hawaii, I left a link in my Instagram bio. You can click on it and go to our latest YouTube channel, Think Ocean video entitled Gray Reef Sharks of Kona, Hawaii. When you go there, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, please. And if you can, subscribe to that channel. We'd really appreciate it. We're trying to promote the channel and bring it out more into the community and produce our future ocean stewards. Aloha. Not all the sharks in the cave were juveniles. A few were fully grown adults. And what surprised me one particular day was a white-tip reef shark that you can see here swimming amongst the pack of other gray reef sharks. By day, these sharks are social, congregate in groups. But at night, they are fierce predators, hunting alone on bony fish, squid, and crustaceans, like lobsters. Yum. The Hawaiian coral reefs are stunningly beautiful, and they are full of wondrous experiences. However, the coral reefs are a delicate place, and they teeter on the brink of collapse. In 2015 and 2018, a massive coral bleaching event occurred, wiping out 90% of the coral in Hawaii. The likely culprit was the ocean's warming. However, now, in 2026, the good news is the ocean water temperatures are normal, and the corals are thriving and populating the reef. And just in time for another threat to their existence, one that smothers them in a poisonous substance and eats all the coral polyps in the colony and leaves it a ghostly white, completely dead. That threat comes from the crown of thorns starfish. You like what you just saw? That was a scene from our latest YouTube video documentary entitled The Crown of Thorns: Killing Our Coral Reefs. Now, I left a link in the bio of this Instagram page. You can click on it and go directly to that YouTube video documentary and learn more about the crown of thorns and how it's a threat to our coral reefs. Now, when you go there, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you can, please subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out a lot, and we'd appreciate your support.